Oh, yeah, Fractal Bitcoin. Welcome to Fractal Bitcoin. I'm Chris. Let's cover Bitcoin adoption news. And look, Senator Cynthia Lummis, she's Trump's ally. She's pushing to sell some of the Fed's gold to buy Bitcoin. I mean, look, talk about adoption. Hello. And also she wants she's pushing a bill that calls for the United States to buy 1 million Bitcoin. That's over the next 5 years. And yeah, a pro-crypto cavalry is arriving in Washington. Yeah, even Michael Saylor said today that the president is Bitcoin friendly, the Senate is Bitcoin friendly, and the House is Bitcoin friendly. Right? That's amazing. All right, next story. Yeah, look, Pennsylvania is to buy Bitcoin with 10% of its $7 billion reserves if it passes the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve Act. So Pennsylvania is about to drop, what is that, almost $1 billion and buy Bitcoin. This is a state. This is their own Bitcoin Strategic Reserve of the state. Yeah, this is called huge adoption. You still think Bitcoin's only for drug dealers and all this, whatever, all those lies? Don't believe the lies. You know what you should believe? Parker Lewis, because he wrote a great book called Gradually Then Suddenly, which I bought from him in person this year, but I haven't read it yet. And check this out. Check out this chapter. Bitcoin obsoletes all other money. Bitcoin obsoletes all other money. It explains why economic systems converge on a single form of money due to the nature of money and the problem it solves in coordinating trade. So, look, this happens. This is what happens over history. And this is what's going to happen with Bitcoin. So, this is very, very bullish, very good news. And yeah, I thought this was good. This isn't quite adoption news, but look at this. Manhattan U.S. Attorney's Office to reduce its prosecutions of crypto companies. Yeah, so you know how the government's been running around for the last forever, just suing crypto companies and Bitcoin companies and everything? Well, now they're going to do that less, right? Because they see the writing on the wall, right? This is the way the world is moving toward Bitcoin. And the administration that's coming into the United States is not going to stand for this harassment, this bullying of crypto companies and Bitcoin companies. They're not going to stand for it. And so even before Trump gets into office, we're already seeing that they're going to reduce their prosecutions. I mean, God, can't they just follow the law and just do what they're supposed to do instead of weaponizing the justice system? My God, please. But yeah, Goldman Sachs just disclosed owning $710 million worth of Bitcoin through ETFs. It's through their SEC filing. Yeah, seriously, do you guys need any more adoption news, right? Aren't Goldman Sachs known as like probably the best firm on Wall Street? Is that true? I thought that was the case. Again, I'm a layperson, but I always thought Goldman Sachs was like the gold standard of investment companies, right? I think, and if they're not the gold standard, they're right up there at the top. And now they own Bitcoin, and they only own $710 million worth. Man, they're going to buy a lot more. They really are. And look at this. More adoption. Public listed marketing agency Thumbs Up adopts Bitcoin as a treasury reserve asset, starting with a $1 million purchase. Look at this. Bitcoin is the talk of every boardroom in corporate America right now. Holy cow, guys. And let's be clear. First, they're going to have to talk about it. Second, they're going to have to convince all the idiots who still think Bitcoin is, it's for drug dealers and drug trafficking and cartels and all those idiots. They're going to have to cleanse their brains of that garbage. And then they're going to have to, it'll take more time to decide how much they're going to buy and how are they going to buy it and where are they going to keep it. So look, they're not all going to buy Bitcoin tomorrow, but it's going to take months or years, but they're all going to buy Bitcoin. And thank God you're here and I'm here so that we can get into Bitcoin and reap the benefits of when all these big guys get in later, right? We really can. And this is not financial advice, as you know, or you might not know, but yeah. And real quick, I did want to show this. This is a documentary. FrogFriend17, one of our favorite meme accounts on Nostr. There's a reason this documentary has 1.3 million views. It uniquely breaks down the deep state propaganda against Trump, censorship of conservatives, CIA and FBI criminality, and the rise of citizen journalism. Watch it now. Yeah, apparently this is it. Badlands Media presents Time of Deceit. And it's on Rumble. It's free. The whole thing's there. Just go search for it. Time of Deceit. And yeah, and so that's it. That's all the Bitcoin adoption news for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I appreciate you watching. I appreciate being on this journey with you together of building our future prosperity right now, every day. And I'll see you for another episode or another video on the Fractal Bitcoin channel. All right, see ya.